Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Okay, we got 4 slices of bacon, 2 pasture-raised eggs, sourdough toast, some Havarti cheese, which is very meltable. This is a melt. We're gonna kick it up with some mayo and use a little butter, salt and pepper. Hey, Mike Foster here, how you doing? Oh, look, you can see the TV behind me. We meaning me, I'm going to make a killer melt. This is one that I've used a lot of these ingredients before, but hey, there's only so many ingredients you can use. It's a bacon fried egg melt, and it's gonna be killer diller. We're gonna start off by, well, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Check it out. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do, we're gonna butter this side because we're gonna make a nice toasty, a melty. That one's done. A little stuff there. Maybe it's done. Like thus. Okay, I'll meet you at the stove. I'm gonna put this down, then we're gonna show you what I'll do next. Okay, you got both butter side. You put the butter side down. All right, that's on medium. And that's gonna go for a little while. Keep it on a little below medium. Next, you're gonna put some mayo on it. Ah, that's the crazy part. Not a lot, just about that much. And then we're gonna split the Havarti up like this. So we get a little melt going on. That's the one. That's the one right there. So let this go for a little while so we get toast there and get this cheese melted. Now I'm gonna put that egg together. Okay, now I'm gonna take some more butter and put it in this pan. Like this. All right, this is on medium, also a little lower than medium. All right, that looks good. And drop 2 eggs down. There's the first one. Broke a little. There we go, there's that baby. Perfect. Little pepper. That's the baby right there. All right, we're gonna give these a little flip. And shut it off. Let's get back to that melty. All right, this is coming along really nice melting. Now we put the beautiful bacon down. When I say we again, I mean me. Uh-oh. Extra bacon, so just throw it in the garbage right here. Uh-huh. And pull it up, it's starting to get nice and brown. It's ready for those eggs. Here's one. Put that baby right there. That looks good. Here's the other one. Another baby, put that on top right there. That's the thing. Now flip this one. All right, let's get that all on. Oh. All right. Let this melt a little more. Then we'll serve it up. See at the counter. All right, there's that melt. Let's cut it in half. It's hot. Let's reveal it. There it is, big bite coming up. All right. What was it? Fried egg, bacon, cheese melt on sourdough bread with a little mayo. What could possibly go wrong? Or right, it's hot. You see the steam coming from it. Big bite. What hits me right off, I get a little of the mayo, the cheese, and then the bacon slams in. The eggs are a little passive right now. Let's fix that. I would like to probably see the egg a little more yolky. That's up to you. It's certainly delicious. Cheese melted nice. I like Havarti. We can use American. This works just great. Get your protein to start the day and keep watching Live Life 365 on my YouTube channel. Subscribe, tell other people. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Hope nobody heard that. All right. A beauty. My name's Rudy. Tanuti. Too hot to talk. This is for the outtakes. Jeez, my goodness. Too hot to talk. Too hot to talk. Too hot to talk. Too hot to talk. Man. Sweet Babu. Very cheesy. Not like, oh, that's cheesy, cheap. No. You could taste cheese in it, making it cheesy. Oh, geez, Mike, I wonder why it was cheesy. It's called a cheese melt. Like a grilled cheese, eat them, Baba.